Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set a screen time limit for specific apps on your Android phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and select the settings button. You want to then select the apps button on this page. And then underneath general, select screen time. And then you can just scroll down and select where it says show all apps and then locate whatever app you want to set the limit for. You may already see it up at the top, so just wherever it is on the list here, it's fine. Go ahead and select the app that you want to limit the screen time for, and then select the app timer option underneath settings. At this point, go ahead and adjust the scroll here, and then please note this will reset at midnight every night. Select OK to set the timer, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.